Hello, my name's Devdas from the Akasha Yoga Academy, and I'm here today to explore with you 10-minute meditation to connect to your true self. So, I always find for meditation, one of the most important, most beautiful aspects of meditation is relaxation. So, the first thing we're going to do is just tense the body, even when we're seated, with this double inhalation and through the nose, double exhalation out the mouth. So, double inhalation through the nose, tense the body. Double exhalation out the mouth, relax. A few more times. Tense. Really tense everything, even the face. Completely relax. One more time. Tense. Relax. And then really feel like you're consciously letting every single muscle go. Close your eyes. Just come into the beautiful spaciousness of your own natural presence. Scan the body for a moment, make sure every single muscle is relaxed. The hips are relaxed, the stomach's relaxed, the shoulders relaxed, the face, the neck, even the crown of the head, all the little subtle muscles are relaxed. And then let's take a few long, deep breaths here just to center ourselves. In some of the ancient languages, breath and spirit were the same word. So connect to your breath essence, your spirit essence through the breath in these long, beautiful, deep breaths. Filling up the lungs completely and exhaling completely. Really on the exhale, feeling every last little bit of air leaving the body. A full, nice, long, complete exhale, letting everything go. Drawing in the freshness and letting everything relax, letting everything go. Next time that you exhale, just let your breath fall into its natural rhythm. And maybe it's quite relaxed. That's perfectly fine. And take a moment to kind of connect into the deepest essence of who you are. Remembering that anything that's transient, anything that's passing, anything that's just a part of your personality is not that. Really look beyond. Sit with this powerful question: who am I? When all of the different faculties that I can engage in any given day are just let rest, is there something that remains? My true self, my essence. Beyond any mental idea, is there a place inside that's free, limitless, unbound? utterly present now. The natural space and presence of who you are has no limit, no borders, unconfined, unrestricted, eternally present. Who am I here? And really stay and marinate with what you're discovering. Be present with presence. Let's just take the last moments of this meditation just to contemplate freedom. What does it mean to be free of any ideas about who and what I am? When I am free of all ideas, all identification, what remains? May you carry that natural freedom, joy, presence, light, love that is the gift of being a human being, out into the world, in everything that you say, in everything that you do, in everything that you are. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. And thank you for joining us in the adventure today. Such a pleasure to have you with us. If you love the videos and love the content, click subscribe. And it's a joy always to be here with you in the spirit of the great tradition of yoga. Thank you.